Welcome to my channel Digital Ocean. Today I'm going to be discussing what are the top better versions or alternatives to ChatGPT. See you in a bit. The first alternative, better version of ChatGPT is Google Bard. Google Bard is still in beta, but even in beta, Google Bard it's better than ChatGPT because it uses the most recent data. From 2020 to now, it's going to be using 2023. So this is why still Google Bard it's much better version ChatGPT. Number two, it's Character AI. Character AI, it combines itself a lot of different characters, as the name says. So inside you can find like character mommy, or it's like Elon Musk, Tony Stark, and and so on and so forth. So basically you choose the voice, the message your chat represents pretty much. And this is how also all the answers from the chat are kind of preset based on the characters. I would say the only con that Character AI has is that it's a little bit slower than the usual ChatGPT or the other versions. But as pros, as I already mentioned, there are vast character selection, there's integration, different conversations inside, creating your own character. It's another thing that is very new. So number three, it's a OpenAI Playground tool. So this tool, what it pretty much represents, it shows you different languages, different types of models, right? And it's a little bit advanced. So I would suggest you to go in that route and try it only if you find yourself locked out of ChatGPT, because it's not for the everyday user. It's a little bit complicated until you find the way, create your mode, right? In terms of, let's say, speed, it has the same speed as ChatGPT and uses a lot of advanced features in order to learn, right? If that makes sense. So you will see the speed of learning. So once you start asking questions and getting answers, you will definitely see the difference in terms of speed of learning of the AI tool. So I would say definitely give it a try. So the fourth version of ChatGPT, it's called Chatsonic. Chatsonic is something that combines in it different jobs. You can ask the character of accountant, or you can ask as a marketer, or you can ask the chat as engineer. So it has different personalities, and of course you can build your own personality. Another thing is the chat has access to internet, all over internet. So this is huge access to everything in current days, something that Google has, but only in Google, right? So this is top two, right? Top two best alternative for ChatGPT. What's in it also, there are pre-built 25 free versions generated every single day. You have images, right? So text to image generator, which is something amazing. I think that none of the tools that I just mentioned has this. Only Chatsonic has this, and you'll find all the links of all these tools down below, by the way. You can find them online. And number one in my list, top one tool for me, is Jasper. Jasper AI, it's an amazing tool for every entrepreneur or marketer. Hands down, guys, hands down. Jasper AI has built in itself for all kinds of different topics. Like you can say, write me a Facebook blog post, but you go to the section of blog posts, for instance, and you specifically ask for a blog post. Then Jasper would ask you, hey, what kind of voice do you want? What is the audience? What's your targeting? Which is crazy, guys, has none of the tools that I just mentioned has it. So this tool is going to ask you what's your audience demographic, like gender, age, and location, and all kinds of stuff, specific stuff, right? If you're a marketer, you understand how huge that is, and you basically give to the tool your research, and from your research it kind of makes all the different topics, right, based on your research. And it's incredible. You can use it for blog posts, you can use it for Facebook posts, you can use it for ads. There's a specific section for every single platform, like Pinterest. If you want to create a video on the video, let's say for TikTok, it's an incredible tool. So you need to check it out. I will leave all the links down below. And thank you for watching, guys. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye.